The hurricane hit and I had to call hospice, even though we had no lights and no air. Hospice immediately came out the day after the hurricane to interview my mom and to get her set up with all that they need. They brought in all the equipment you could ever imagine. The bed, the commodes, the walkers, the canes, anything that we needed, all the medicine we needed. They brought us oxygen that was a portable tank so that she could have oxygen at the time. And we really thought it was the end, and I was really mad at myself for not calling hospice earlier. However, I think that hospice gave us extra time. She got better, and so it was a joyous time for the girls and myself and my husband because we were able to have more time with her. Had we not called hospice, I don't think she would have lived a week. And when my father became ill, I didn't wait for him to say to me, I think I should call hospice. I called him earlier, and the support was wonderful for my father. Hospice came in with ministers and social workers and just the people that you needed to support you. And he was very happy to have them come in because it gave him someone else to talk to rather than just the normal routine. He was able to talk to the ministers and the music ministers and the social worker, and everybody that came was always so good. The aides were outstanding. So we had everything that he needed. When my children had questions, they could call hospice and get the answers they needed. I could call hospice for the support. And when my father, at the end, when he really needed the nurse immediately, she was there within minutes. Hospice of Palm Beach County, I think, is the most wonderful organization and will have my support for the rest of my life, and I'm sure for the rest of my children's lives, because they saw what it could do for them.